In these problems, we are being given some decimals and we're being asked to write them as fractions in simplest form. So we've got to figure out what's the fraction for this decimal and then simplify it if we need to. So we've got 0.092. To start writing this as a fraction, we're going to find the furthest out place values. So the place value furthest to the right here. And that is the thousandths place. After the decimal point comes tenths, then hundredths, then thousandths. So that means our denominator is going to be 1,000. So we'll have something over 1,000. What we put on the top is easy. It's just the numbers that are here. I'm going to ignore the zeros that come before it. So this is 92 1,000ths. So already we have this as a fraction. I can tell that it needs to be simplified because 92 is even and so is 1,000. So let's try just dividing the top and the bottom by 2 first. So 1,000 divided by 2, that's easy, that's 500. Let's see, 90 divided by 2, well, or so 92 divided by 2. 90 divided by 2 would be 45, so that'd be 46. Aha, so they're both still even, so I think I can divide by 2 again. And we've got, let's see, 46 divided by 2 would be 23, and 500 divided by 2 would be 250. So it looks like 23 250ths is the simplest fraction we can get for 0.092. How do I know this is the simplest form? Because 23 is a prime number. The only factors are 1 and 23. So unless this is divisible by 23, which I know it's not, then this is the simplest form. Okay, let's do one more of these. So here we have 0.275. Again, our place value here is thousandths, so we're going to write something over 1,000. And in this case, we've got 275, so 275 1,000ths. Now, it looks to me like these are both divisible by 5 because this one ends in 5 and this one ends in 10. But I'm thinking maybe they're both divisible by 25 because 75 would be divisible by 25. So let's think about this. If I had 100, that's got 4 25s, and another 100, that's 4 more 25s, and then a 75, which is 3 25s, that would be 275. So 4 and 4 and 3. So that's 11 25. So if I divide this top by 25, I would get 11. And how about in 1,000? Well, in 100, there are 4, right? So in 1,000, there have to be 10 times as many because 1,000 is 10 times 100. So there are 40. So this answer should be, when we divide that by 25, 11 over 40. And this is the simplest form. The reason I know that is because, again, 11 is a prime number. So there's nothing else you can divide it by. Unless 40 is divisible by 11, this is the end. And 40 is not. 44 would be divisible by 11, but not 40. So this is our answer. So that's a little bit of work with putting decimals into fractions in simplest form.